have to eat yours. Pure of mind, pure of body, pure of spirit. Little girls stay young forever. Our bodies stay flat and thin. That is why we don't eat. We starve, for that is what makes our skin translucent. That is what makes us look like ghosts. No. Angels. But there are no angels here. I am not an angel. So I might as well eat.
True love always finds a way. You understand? You know what it means to be in love.
How did you get here?
I played my music.
You're
The rocks
that
parted when
smart.
they heard my melody, and yes, I am that good.
I had to.
You had to destroy me?
I had to save her.
She wasn't in any danger.
Like I wasn't in any danger.
She is different.
Of course she is.
I'm sorry.
I had to do it. I wanted her to live.
Like you never could.
Once I was young and now I am old. You let me cut myself apart.
I wanted to cut myself apart with you.
You watched me bleed until there was nothing left.
I wanted to bleed with you.
You broke into me and let me die.
Like I died inside of you.
Do you remember when you showed me the stars?
It was a long time ago.
I am trapped here forever. Trapped between two worlds for you. Broken for you. And you don't even see me.
I only see who you used to be.
I don't know who I am without you.
I only ever gave you what you asked me for.
I didn't ask too much.
You didn't ask enough.
Could you have given me more?
We cannot be alone anymore, Hecate. That time is over. There will only be more pain.
I know.
There will only be more blood.
I know.
She doesn't want to go.
Of course not. And she will come back.
You had no reason to go to her mother.
I wanted to give her a chance.
You had a chance. Why didn't you leave?
You silly ass.
There's somebody I'm coming to see. I hope that he turns out to be someone to watch over